Most beginners lose their money in the first week, and almost always for the same 3 reasons. Today I'll show those mistakes, how they play out on binary options, and simple things you can start doing right away to avoid them. I'll also open a real trade live so you see the whole process. Let's go. Okay, now I'm opening trade number 3, $12 from this support zone. That's 10% of the balance. With binary options, you pick direction and expiry. I chose a short expiry that matches this small bounce setup. Trade is live. We'll let it run while I explain the mistakes. Mistake number 1, putting everything into a single trade. In binary options, this is extra dangerous because payouts are fixed. If a winning trade pays, say, 70 to 80%, you can't make back a full loss with one win. Example, lose $100, one win often gives you $70 to $80, you're still down. So the idea of hit one big trade and recover doesn't work well in binaries. Keep stakes small. Treat each trade like one round in a long series, not a last chance. That's why I size my trades so I can take many rounds without risking the whole account. Always know how many losses in a row you could survive before you stop for the day. If that number is small, lower your trade size. Mistake number 2, no plan. But for binary options, the plan needs 2 things: where you enter and how long you keep the trade open, expiry. Beginners often pick expiry at random, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, without matching it to the setup. Short expiries are noisy. Long expiries can miss the quick bounce. A simple rule you can use now: if you enter from a small bounce at support, use a short expiry that fits 1 or 2 candles of that time frame. If you're trading after a big news spike, don't trade at all until the market calms. Matching entry and expiry is part of the plan, and it's what separates a random click from a real trade. Practice the same setup on demo for 20 to 30 trades and note which expiry worked most often. Then use that expiry live. Mistake number 3, trading with emotions, especially doubling after a loss. In binary options, people try martingale, doubling, because it looks like it will recover losses. But remember fixed payouts. Doubling often leads to bigger losses faster. Here are simple ways to stop it. Set a daily loss limit, real number, set a max trades per session, and build a tiny pause routine. After a loss, step away for 3 minutes, breathe, and check the chart again. Also keep a one-line note. Why did I enter? If the reason isn't on the list, don't trade. That tiny pause breaks the emotional loop. Let's check our $12 trade. Price respected support, candle shows rejection, and it's moving our way. I don't interfere. I already picked expiry and direction. Now we wait. Quick takeaways you can use tomorrow. 1. Don't risk the whole account. Small trades win over time. Second, match expiry to the setup. Expiry is as important as entry in binaries. 3. Stop trading when you feel emotional. Tiny pauses save accounts. Also, keep a one-line journal after every trade. Entry reason and how you felt. It takes 5 seconds and it fixes so many bad habits. And there, the trade closes in profit. Nice. That brings our challenge balance to $128.89. Small wins like this stack up when you follow simple rules. So, 3 big mistakes. All-in bets, trading without a matched expiry, plan, and emotion-driven chasing. Avoid those, and you're already ahead. Our balance is $128.89, and we'll keep building. Tomorrow, I'll show the exact 1-minute setup I use for quick scalps. You'll see the entry, expiry, and small checklist I follow every time. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.